This is a super fun disc chair that is Captain America themed. It does have some padding, so it's comfy, and it does fold up as well, so it doesn't have to always be out. You can see it can fold up as well, so that is nice about it. If you need to make extra room in your room, you can just fold it up and prop it against the wall. But it is a great addition to any Marvel room, teen room, dorm room. Good addition. So this is a hammock chair that we have indoors, but it's an indoor-outdoor hammock chair. And the one thing that we are not a big fan of is that this center pole kind of is wobbly. It has held up so far, but that's the only thing that's kind of strange, that it's not just one solid pole, that it actually has a bend in the middle. It does come with all of the hardware to hang it from the ceiling or a post or wherever you're going to hang it. And it is a fun addition to a teen bedroom or a dorm.